To connect your Grass account to a Phantom wallet, start by accessing the desktop or web version of Grass. Ensure that you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your Chrome browser. Log into your wallet, then navigate back to Grass and proceed to the Rewards page, usually located on the left side. Click on Verify Wallet Address and then Connect Wallet. If the Phantom extension is detected, select the Phantom option, which will prompt a window to appear. In this window, choose the account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, and press Connect, you will then need to verify and confirm the connection. After completing these steps, you will be prompted to confirm your wallet via email. Check your email for a confirmation button, which may take a few seconds to a minute to arrive. And be sure to check your junk or spam folders if it doesn't appear in your inbox. Once you find the email, click on the confirmation button. This process should only take a short time. And after confirming, you can return to the Grass Rewards page to verify that your wallet has been successfully connected.